呈分試其中一個必考嘅課題係喺咩情況之下，我哋應該將 the active voice 改為使用 the passive voice 呢？我哋需要先了解 the passive voice 嘅意義係乜嘢。我哋點解要用 passive voice 呢？ The passive voice is used when the focus is on the action or result, not on the doer。 究竟邊一個做嗰件事情，我哋唔關心嘅。我哋想將個焦點改為喺嗰個 action 嗰度，或者係嗰個 result 嗰度。好啦，我哋睇一睇第一個意義係乜嘢啦。When it is not necessary to mention the doer of the action， 用例句去解釋係最清楚嘅。Some people sweep the streets every day。 有一啲人每日都掃街，街一定係人掃嘅啦，唔通隻狗仔會走去掃街咩？其實我哋講呢句說話，我哋想強調 the streets are swept every day。 嗰條街其實每日有人掃，好乾淨。我哋係想強調個 action 而唔係個 doer。第二種情況適合用 passive voice 嘅。When we don't know or have forgotten who did it， 用例句去解釋。Someone stole my car， 有人偷咗我架車。其實我想強調嘅係乜嘢？ My car was stolen， 我架車俾人偷咗啊！唔該，快啲幫我搵翻架車啦。其實我根本唔知道邊個偷我架車，所以 someone stole 其實係冇意義嘅一個講法。My car was stolen， 我就係要將個焦點放翻喺嗰件事嗰度。我哋應該用 passive voice 嘅第三個原因係咩呢？ When we care more about the action than the doer or want to avoid blame。 咩叫 avoid blame 呢？睇睇例句就會更加明白。The manager rejected his proposal。 一聽見呢句，大家第一個焦點就會放咗喺個經理嗰度。對經理唔聽人講，拒絕咗佢建議。但呢句並唔係我想講嘅原意嚟嘅。我想講咩呢？ His proposal was rejected。 大家一齊提出一啲更好嘅建議俾佢，等佢將個 proposal 改得更好啦，就唔會俾人拒絕啦。我嘅目的係想講出 His proposal was rejected， 我根本唔 care 邊一個去拒絕佢嘅 proposal。 所以我哋用 passive voice 經常都會係將個 by doer 刪咗去，等聽呢句說話嘅人可以將個重點放翻喺個 action 嗰度，